Hello, I'm Professor Rajiv Malhotra. I'm a senior faculty at the Jindal School of Government and Public Policy. Today I'm talking to you about a new course that we are beginning from the next academic session starting August 2020. This is our master's program in economics. We feel that this program serves an important gap in the way postgraduate economics teaching is happening in India and abroad. There's a sheer dearth of postgraduate seats in good MA programs in the country. Take, for example, the Delhi University. Delhi University has about 5,000 to 6,000 undergrad students who complete economics honors every year. But if you look at the number of seats at the master's level, there are barely a few hundreds. And I'm talking of not only the institutions within Delhi, but some outside Delhi. So there is clearly a huge dearth of postgraduate seats in economics. So our program is seeking to fill up that gap. But more importantly, it's the way this program is being structured. Typically, most MA programs are looking at and teaching the orthodox tradition in economics. And that is important. We need to study that in order to apply that knowledge in real life context, which is what takes us to the unorthodox or the heterodox approach in economics. In designing our curriculum, we are keeping these concerns in mind. We want you to be fully versed with the classical tradition in economics, but we also want you to have the capacity, the ability to apply that knowledge in the real world context. And this program would address this concern uniquely. How do we intend to do that? Well, in terms of the flexibility of the curriculum and the kind of expertise we are picking up in our faculty. We have a young faculty which is trained among the topmost institutions globally, and which includes some of the Indian institutions as well. Apart from these two features, we have excellent infrastructure in our school and in our university. Our libraries would be among the best, and the kind of facilities that are available for students to interact across other schools within the institution with research centers looking at diverse issues and diverse areas of our society would provide a very holistic environment for postgraduate studies at our school.